What's up YouTube? If you are new to my channel, you're welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to enable or activate Telnet Client on your Windows PC. Telnet is very useful in order you to communicate with the network devices such as switches, access points. Let's see how to enable it. In order you to enable or activate Telnet, there's many ways. So majority users are using, people are using two methods. One, using the command prompt, using some commands to activate and to Telnet. Another common way is go to the admin programs and we can add the features. Telnet feature we can add using the admin programs. Okay, let's see how to do from the admin program first. Okay, step 1, you have to go to a control panel. I'll go very basic way and find program and features option, then click on turn Windows features on and off. Okay, from there you can see Telnet. If you scroll down here, Telnet Client, click on this and click OK, then it will enable the feature. Basically for the Telnet you no need to restart the PC. So to get more tutorials and videos like this, please like and subscribe. Now now if you go CMD Telnet, probably I went very fast. So you have to go to a command prompt by typing CMD, okay, and make sure you are run as administrator, because when you are running as a normal user, it won't work. Okay, it won't communicate with the Telnet destination. Okay, now just type Telnet. For example, I will use a Google public DNS. Okay, so because at the moment I don't have a Telnet device to communicate, and port number 53. Port number 53 is basically using for the DNS, domain name server. Okay. Now when you make a enter, you will see it went through successful. If you can see the blank screen like that, you are done. You are inside the destination hardware. Okay, and now let me show you how to enable over the command prompt. First of all, I am going to deactivate the Telnet feature again in order you to show how to reactivate via CMD. Okay, now I have this command. So if we are paste into the command prompt, so it will download the feature. Okay, let's see. CMD run as administrator always, and copy this command. So I will put into the description below, so you can copy it from there. Okay, and paste, and when you hit enter, it enable the feature. Now let's test. Run as CMD, run as administrator, type Telnet 8888, port number 53, done. We are inside. Okay, that's the way folks. It's very easy and very useful, and the same video I have uploaded to my tech blog as well, so you can see over here. It's digitrendtech.com. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.